let's say we want to solve this sequence relation. Tn is equal to Tn by 3 plus T2n by 3 plus Cn, some constant C and n. You can say that it's a plus theta of n. So if you look at closely to this reconciliation will have two recursive calls. One is on input n by 3 and second is on input 2n by 3. Can we solve this reconciliation using master theorem? No, we cannot solve this reconciliation using master theorem because that is not in a standard form of that master theorem equation. So let's apply recursion tree method. In recursion tree method, what we need to do? We need to start with this Tn and we have to represent it in form of tree. So actually it's a iteration. We need to write various iteration of Tn. So Tn is replaced by, we know for some part it's a time complexity is Cn. It is known Cn. But for remaining two part, it's a recursive equation. So it's a Tn by 3 and T2n by 3. We need to further solve these two equations. Okay. So again, write down replacement of these two recurrences. So it's a Cn, then for Tn by 3. For Tn, it was Cn and two recurrence relation. So for Tn by 3, what can be the equation? It's a Cn by 3 and there will be a two recurrences. क्या होगी reconciliation? Because left hand side part we multiply it by 1 by 3. So if we multiply this by 1 by 3, we'll have n by 9. On right hand side we multiply it by 2 by 3. So if we multiply it by 2 by 3, we'll have a t 2n by 9. Okay. If we look at right hand side, we have to replace t 2n by 3. So 2tn by 3 is c 2n by 3. We know that for some part, and again we have two recurrence relation, that is t left hand side part we have to multiply it by 1 by 3. So it remains 2n by 9, 2n by 9, and right hand side we need to multiply it by 2 by 3. So it remains 4n by 9. So we need to solve until we reach to the solution, that is the smallest part, t of 1 or whatever. So how far we can go by replacing this value? What can be the limit? So here for that we need to look at the height of tree. So we need to find the total cost of this tree. The cost at this level is what, the cost at this level is what, and then we need to add the total cost. Okay. So finally, see, if I replace these variables, we'll have this kind of recurrence tree, C n by 3 to C n by 3. Again, I'll replace this. We'll have n by 9. We'll have 2n by 9. Obviously, C is there. Here we have a C into 2n by 9, C into 4n by 9, and so on. We are not writing all steps. So in this step, we have to find the total cost. We need to add the cost at each level. So the cost at this level is Cn. Cost at this level is Cn plus 3 plus 2Cn plus 3. So 3cn plus 3. So again, it's a 3n. Again, we need to add the cost at this level. So it's a 4n, 2n, 6n, 8n plus 9n by 9. So again, it's a cn. So we assume that at each level, the cost is cn. Right? Because to find the total cost, we need to add the cost at each level. Because after all, we have represented this tree as a solution of one reconciliation Tn. Okay, we are solving this reconciliation Tn. So if we add this, all this cost, we'll get the final answer. So for that, we need to find the height of this tree. So what can be the height of this tree? So to find the height of tree, we need to look at the branching factor. Here we are dividing it by 3. Here we are dividing it by 3 by 2. Right? Here we are dividing by 3. Here we are dividing by 3 by 2. So this branch will last long because we are dividing it by less number. So this will be the dominating factor, means this branch will be the higher one. It lasts long. So the height of tree depends on this branch. So to find the height, as I told in earlier lecture, we need to take log. So original number was n. So the height of tree can be log n and base, which is the dominating factor. Here in one part we divide it by 3. Here we divide by 3 by 2. Here we divide it by 3 by 2. So that's why 3 by 2 is the greater part. So we'll take that part because the dominating part will be 3 by 2 because that branch will last long. So the height will affected by that division. So that is the dominating factor. So the height of tree is log n. Log n number को divide करें, कितने से divide कर रहे हैं? So 3 by 2, that will be the base. Okay. So this will be the height. And the number of level are height plus 1. You know the equation. Number of levels in tree are this, because height start from 0. This is 0 height. This is 1. This is 2. So height is true. Number of level are 3. Okay. So number of level in this tree are this plus 1. These many levels are there. And the total cost is equal to cost at each level, that is Cn into this. Okay. So the solution of reconciliation Tn is equal to C into n log n, Cn log n base 3 by 2 plus Cn. So we have got this equation. Now to this equation, you can obviously represent it in theta notation. So what will be the theta of this? For that, you get the higher order of n. So what is the higher order of n? Here n LGN is there, and in second part we have n only. So the final answer will be n log n is 3 by 2. Right? This is the final answer. Theta of n log n base 3 by 2.